channel. It's your girl Jhnel. As you can see from the title, I will be showing y'all how I dyed my hair. I can't believe I did it, but I did, and I'm glad I did it. So I can't wait to show y'all the results. Just stay tuned for this video. Watch through all this video, y'all. We are almost at 500 subscribers. I know we could get there. I'm so excited, y'all, to see y'all face again, and I know you're excited to see my face again. So we're gonna get right into this video with no further ado. To the beauty supply store, and I got some hair mayonnaise because we need that, because I don't want my hair to break up, because I'm not cutting it again. I got some hair mask. I got some leave-in conditioner. That's about it for me to treat my hair. And I'm gonna continue using the wild goat, because wild goat froze my hair. And we got castor oil. I got this 30 volume developer. So y'all, let's get right into it. I took approximately 3 scoops of the BW2 powder, and basically I eyeballed it. I didn't know what I was doing because it's the first time I'm bleaching my hair. I've bleached wigs before, but this is different. This is my natural hair. So I took some of the developer and I mixed it until I got the consistency I wanted. It was kind of like a runny consistency, so I could distribute it across my hair evenly so it could be bleached how I want it to. I got some gloves, put the gloves on. Basically I'm sectioning my hair so I could put the bleach in properly. Like I wanted it to be, you know, done good. So here I am twisting up my hair. So now I'm just applying the bleach to my hair. I'm bleaching my hair. Am I doing it right? Oh, this shit is strong. Say hey. All right, y'all, so I put some file paper around my hair because I heard it like makes your hair bleached better, so I did. This is weird. This is mad weird. Now that I got it to the color and I left it approximately for 15 minutes, I'm now rinsing it out. So as you can see, I'm using the shampoo to massage it into my scalp. Then rinse that out. Then I'm gonna use the conditioner next, and then I'm gonna section my hair and I'm gonna comb it out with the conditioner in it so it could absorb in my hair. Y'all, I'm using the hair mayonnaise, so it's basically a protein treatment. I'm saying basically a lot. Anyways, I'm just massaging my hair, massaging the scalp, wrap it up, leave it on for 15 minutes, and now I'm putting on my Shea Moisture hair mask. I left that in for 15 minutes as well, and yeah. pure emerald color to just evenly distribute the dye in my hair. That color is beautiful. Like, it came out so bomb. It fits my complexion and I just love it. So I'm leaving it for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna show y'all the ending result when I finish. So y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to ring that bell, y'all. Like, we're almost at 500k subscribers. I really love this hair color. Like, it brings me off. It shows my complexion up. Like, it gives that melanin a pop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.